Hey, what's up guys? We are here at a photo shoot spot. We are shooting a C63 AMG that we just parked over there. I just took the company S5 to follow them. We're gonna do some rollers on this C63. It's supercharged. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I'll link all of the parts that are in it. We're here with Mike Kuhn and Ryan Harris, and we're gonna be shooting this thing, and I'm shooting them shooting it. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go up to the top of the hill, like on the top of the crest right there, and take some more photos, and yeah, we'll keep going with this photo shoot. So shiny, you can see yourself. Yeah.
His personality though, because I've met him.
Our detailer did a sick job getting this car clean. It's like doesn't have a mark on it. Alright, so we're pretty much done with the photo shoot part of it, like the still shots. We're gonna do some rollers now, and this is where it gets interesting because I gotta drive the S5, somebody's gotta drive the Mercedes, and somebody's hanging out a door taking as low shots as possible as to the pavement to get that, you know, low profile shot. So we'll see how this goes. So that's how you shoot rollers. Pretty straightforward. It took us a couple times, but we got it right. You'll see the photos on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, social media, the interwebs, whatever you call them, whatever we call them these days. Crazy kids coming up with crazy names for things, but it was fun. Me and Ryan are gonna head back to GMP. I'll probably start editing this video, and really cool experience. Sweet, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.